my beautiful gems, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have a separate and a different type of a vibe going on here. I have a new camera that I'm really excited to start shooting on, and I actually was shooting in a different position, but I had to kind of reposition myself just because I didn't get my lighting. I got my tripod, but I didn't get my lights. So the only light that I have right here is this window right over here. So yeah, I kind of had just to like shift around, and I have a few videos to film today. I kind of wanted to do a get ready with me. I wanted to do an eye makeup look. I wanted to do a lot of things, but I decided that it'd be better if I just sat down and talked to you guys about everything that's going on in this channel in the next few months. So like I said, I did get a new camera, and I keep looking at the viewfinder because I'm kind of just used to just seeing myself because of the camera that I used to use before. It was just like you just all you can see was yourself. So I'm just not really used to looking at the camera yet. So I'm working on it. We're getting there. But I'm using a new Canon. It's an EOS M50, and I'm really excited. It's beautiful. If you guys follow me on my social media, you've seen my post with this new camera. I did buy it the day of my mom's birthday dinner, and I kind of went crazy with the pictures. Like, I just wanted to take all of the pictures. So that's what I did. I took a bunch of pictures, and they came out beautifully. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. They are amazing. So I have a lot of updates for this channel. I thought about changing my name. I thought about starting over from scratch. I thought about deleting all of my old content and just starting over. I thought about all of that, but I decided I want to keep all of that because that is my journey. That's how I started. You know, my first video, it was from my dad had this camera that he used for work. It was a tiny little camera. I forget what camera it was, and that's what I used to film my first video. I think it was like a get ready with me, and it was playing a song, like, oh, it was like a morning routine or night routine or something like that. I can't remember. And I also did a doll like makeup tutorial for this academy that I was in, this modeling academy. You had to dress up as a something, so I decided to be a doll. And I remember that I took inspiration in a doll that I've had my entire life. I was living with my grandmother at the time, and I filmed it with that little camera. So like, I don't want to get rid of all of those amazing memories. I have a video that I made for my modeling academy teacher for her birthday, because we had a party for her birthday. So yeah, we just have a lot of memories in this channel, so I decided to just keep everything there. I also am working with a brand that I really love. I have spoken to the owner of the brand, and we are getting together something very special for you guys. Nothing for me, I promise, nothing for me. It's just something that I want to do for you guys, because even though I have not been filming, I have not been uploading, when I do come back and upload and start filming again, you guys are very supportive. So I do want to thank you guys for that. So we're getting something together for you guys. We're still working out the details on everything, but it's coming. I promise you guys, it is coming. I also wanted to do a little update on like my life, my personal life. Gustavo and I are doing great. Everybody who's been asking me about him, since I haven't been posting many pictures, we're doing great. We have an amazing relationship. I'm also back in school, so that's also where my time is going. But I am on online school, so my schedule is a little bit more flexible. I was working 2 jobs, which was taking up all of my time, but now I got more time to spend with you guys. I have a full-time job, I'm in school, and I have an amazing new camera that I cannot wait to just use to make all this amazing content that I actually been planning on. Now, I made a schedule. I haven't committed to it yet, But I do have a schedule. Tuesdays are my filming day, so today I'm going to be filming a few videos which are going to be coming up. One's going to be coming up on Wednesdays and one's going to be coming up on Saturday. So those are my 2 upload dates. As of right now, it might change in the future, and I really wanted to make Wednesdays my beauty day, and then Saturday's my everything else day, because I don't want to just focus on beauty. Even though this is a makeup channel, I don't just want to focus on the beauty part. I want to do other things. I'm really into cleaning, like deep cleaning my house at the moment. And my last video was a clean with me, my morning routine, like in my bedroom. And the lighting was really bad in that video. It was raining and my room just generally is really dark. So I tried to do the best I could with it, and my camera was really giving up on me. So that's why I decided I needed a new camera. But yeah, I have a link down below in my description for a group collaborative referral. And I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. All you do is you go in there and they give you a free 5-piece Mrs. Meyers set, kind of like a gift with your first $20 purchase. And I actually found that through, I forget her name. Her name is April, but I forget her name on YouTube. So let me just look it up really quick. So April Athena 7. That is her channel, and she is amazing. She does all of these videos, cleaning videos, shop with me videos. She's a mom, and she's so inspiring, and I love it. Like, I am obsessed with all her videos. So I found it through her, and I clicked on the link and I was like, oh my gosh, I need all these things. So I started buying a bunch of things. Now it is a subscription, but you do have the option to just shop and not have the subscription, and that's what I do. I just shop for whenever I need something. I go on the website and I just shop. So I don't have the subscription. It's just a referral link. All it does, it gives me kind of like shopping dollars for every friend that I refer. So I kind of just shop in the same website so I can get more cleaning supplies, because I love cleaning. So I'm gonna be having a few cleaning videos in this channel. I'm gonna have some lifestyle videos. I'm gonna have some cooking videos, because you guys know that I absolutely love cooking. In that last video that I made when I was cooking, it was very hard because I didn't have a tripod, I didn't have lighting, I didn't have a good camera, and the angles, like getting the angles was very, very difficult. So now that I do have a tripod and I can move it around, I can take it wherever I want, it's gonna be a lot easier for me to make those videos. But I do love cooking, and I do want to share everything, all these amazing recipes with you guys that I have from my grandmother, from Gustavo's grandmother, from my brain, things that I just come up with. Also, lately I've been making my own juice. I've stopped buying juice at the store, and I just decided that I wanted to make my own juice. I wanted to go a little bit more organic. So that's what I've been doing lately, and I am absolutely obsessed. Now, if you guys see me with the same makeup and the same shirt in my next video, is because I filmed it the same day, and I'm not gonna run downstairs, change my shirt, and then run back upstairs, because this is my office. And I'll do, once we have everything settled in here, I'll do a little bit of a room tour, office tour, so you guys can see, because this is Gustavo's office, but I am going to be using it to film, because I'll probably use it more than him, honestly. He's got his old TV here that used to be his grandparents. He's got his old game consoles. We have a desk, a printer, our old computer. Yeah, so this is kind of like just like a guy hangout area, but it's not, at least not yet. And then we also have a loft that we're trying to fill with furniture. He wants to turn that into a bar. So once he's got all that taken care of, I am taking over this room and he can kiss it. Because I need my own room. He's gonna have the loft. He's got the garage. I mean, I have the kitchen. The kitchen is mine, all mine. But I do need a filming room where I can just have all my things in just one room. For right now, this is what we're we're working with until I get my lights. My gosh, so I ordered these lights the same day that I ordered my tripod. And the seller, I bought it off of Amazon now, or eBay, let go. I don't remember. The seller sends me an email that same exact day and says, hey, since the item is on discount, it's gonna take a little bit longer to process. And I was like, okay, cool. 3 more days, that's fine. So then the next day, or like a few hours later, they message me back and they're like, hey, your order has been processed. We're gonna go ahead and ship it. Great, I'm excited. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get my lights and I'm gonna get my tripod at the same time. I'm gonna start filming these amazing videos. It's gonna be so awesome. It's gonna be exciting. That was not the case. To this day, the lights have not been shipped. I've reached to the what am I trying to say? Guys, I can't talk. Oh my god, what am I trying to say? I've tried to talk to the seller to see what's going on, and they really haven't given me like a reasonable answer other than sorry. So yeah, I'm trying to figure this out. Like, I'm either gonna get my money back or I'm gonna have them send me another light because I need something like now. Because this is just not working out for me, like this light, even though I do love natural lighting for my videos a lot more. Today is kind of like a gloomy day. It's supposed to be raining later on the day, so we'll see how it goes. But anyway, back to the channel. Basically my motto is gonna change. It's not just gonna be beauty, it's gonna be beauty and then some. So this is the channel where we do beauty and then some. I really hope you guys stick with me through this transition and this journey. I'm gonna be doing hair videos, makeup videos. Let me know if you guys like this makeup look. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll make sure to film it for you guys. It was actually really easy and really fun. But yeah, this is the channel where we do beauty and then some. So I really hope you guys will stick around, and I do want to say thank you to every single one of you who's been with me since day one, and all of my amazing friends from the Facebook beauty group that I actually am not part of anymore because I don't have a Facebook. If I were to reactivate it, I'd still be part of it, but I just don't have a Facebook anymore. But that's a whole different story. Anyway, thank you guys so much. I love you and welcome back.